Welcome to the Fit and Fabulous Fix, and today we're talking all things breakfast. I'm Nia. Come in, have a seat. Are you tired of skipping breakfast or grabbing junk because you're in a rush? Ladies, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm sharing 2 fast, healthy, and satisfying breakfast ideas that come together in minutes. Perfect for busy mornings, especially if you're over 50 and trying to eat with a purpose. These are not your kids' Pop-Tarts or heaven help us McDonald's. We're talking flavor, fuel, and feeling good all morning. Let's get into it. Nothing like staring into your refrigerator like it's a black hole into space. Let's start with number 1. Overnight oats. Old-fashioned, slow-cooked oats are great. They're rich, creamy, and oh so yummy. Cold or hot, you can't go wrong. Oatmeal contains soluble fiber, which can lower your blood glucose and cholesterol levels. Find oatmeal such as steel cut or old-fashioned because there's a lot less processing. Let's move on to the base. So we have our vanilla, our chia seeds, our oats, and our Greek yogurt. All right, starting out with those oats, just drop them on in. And now we're going to be moving on to our chia seeds. Did you know chia seeds are a great source of fiber and heart-healthy fat? It also has a boatload of vitamin C. That's a lie. It has a boatload of vitamin B. Now you're going to stir up those chia seeds, the oats, and the milk all together. You want to get everything incorporated. You want to get those chia seeds down under because they tend to float. All right, we're moving on. We're going to add in our Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is protein-packed and rich in vitamin B12, calcium, and selenium. It's higher in protein and lower in carbs than regular yogurt, that's for sure. Try not to make a mess here, people. It's really thick, and now you really have to work the chia seeds and the milk and the oats all together, but I have faith in you. I know that you can do it. Just keep mixing. Overnight oats are great. You do one part of it at night before you go to bed, and you do the next part of it in the morning. We're going to add a little bit of vanilla because I need a little bit of flavor, and I also like a little bit of coloring. So we're going to stir that up. I'm going to try to get everything to be one color. Again, everything well incorporated, really working everything in now because you want it smooth and you want it creamy when you wake up in the morning. I really should have used a different spoon, but that's what I grabbed. There you go. Nice and smooth, just the way I like it. We're going to pop some saran wrap on it. Not a fan of the saran wrap. And the top. Wonky top. Press it down really tight. You want it airtight. All right. It is the next morning. Now it's time to add our toppings. So we're going to start out with some walnuts, which are full of goodness such as omega-3 fat, antioxidants that may help protect us against brain decline. We're going to add some blueberries, which you know are a powerhouse. It is an excellent source of vitamin C, K, and manganese, as well as fiber. The hell is manganese, you wonder? It's critical for healthy bones, connective tissue, and nerve function. Now I'm adding a little bit of dark chocolate because I want a little bit of sweet, and dark chocolate is a pretty good choice. Now we're going to be sprinkling it with some cinnamon because I absolutely love cinnamon, and it's also very good for you, and it adds a pretty color. So there you go. All done. Let me have a taste. Excuse this chair, people. My dog sits in it. Very good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's rich. It's It's creamy, it's flavorful, it's packed with all my favorite things. All right, we're going to be moving on to number 2. A very berry shake. Now, I am the protein shake queen. All those years in the gym. So we're starting out with 8 to 10 ounces of milk of your choice. We're going to be throwing in some Greek yogurt. Waste not, want not. Again, me with the terrible choices of spoons. I'm going to do better. 2 scoops of protein powder. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. And we're going to add in a half a frozen yogurt and all our berries, which is blueberries, blackberries, raspberries. Thank you, Costco's. And I'm also going to add in a handful of spinach because I got to get it out of my refrigerator before it goes bad. A little ice for thickness. Pop the top on the Ninja. And let it rip. Now, I've learned not all protein is created equal. I was working at a gym. The protein there used to give me terrible cramps. But I've also learned it's a quick way to get protein to your muscles. I'm going to share some other protein recipes I've accumulated over time, such as my key lime pie shake made with limes. It's delicious. I needed to add a little bit of water there because it was a little bit too thick. Let it go a little longer. It's pink in a container. I see you there. Done. All right, there we go. My very berry shake. Packed with nutrients, packed with protein, all my vitamins. My phone just rang. It was fun making this video. So ladies, there you go. 2 quick, healthy breakfasts that you can enjoy. Doesn't take that long. Treat yourself well. See you in the next one.